Chapter 20. Computer Programming in QBasic. Introduction. QBasic stands for Quick Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is the most popular high-level programming language. QBasic is the advanced form of BASIC program. The BASIC program was developed by John George Kameny and Thomas Eugene in 1964 AD in USA. Features of QBasic. Starting QBasic. Boot your computer system. Open the QBasic folder location. Double-click on X file of QBasic. Press Escape key to remove the Welcome dialog box and start working on QBasic. Elements of QBasic programming. Character set. A set of characters that are allowed to use in QBasic is known as the QBasic character set. The QBasic character set consists of alphabets, both small and capital, numbers, 0 to 9, and special characters. QBasic has the character set consisting of the following elements. Variables. To store data in the computer, location are used. To locate or naming the address, variables are used. Variable is a symbolic name that is used to store data, numbers, text, string, special characters, etc., in the computer memory. During the program execution, the value of a variable is assigned to the computer memory. The types of variables are numeric variable, string variable. Numeric variable. Numeric variable is a symbolic name which is used to store only the numeric data. To declare numeric variable, the characters capital A to Z, small a to Z, string, special characters are used. For example, string variable. String variable is a symbolic name which is used to store text with numbers. $sign is used at the end of string variable. The value of the string variable is stored in double quotation marks. The following are the example to store string variable. Rules for writing the variable name. Constants. Constant is an identifier whose value does not change during the program execution. The value of constant is fixed value which is used in the program. There are two types of constants. Numeric constants. String constants. Numeric constants. Numeric constant consists of a sequence of digits with or without decimal value. Numeric constant is a numeric value which is used in program. Students, let's see an example. String constants. String constant is a string value which is used in program. In other words, it is the collection of numbers or texts with numbers followed by the $sign. Let's see an example. Operators and operands. Operators are the sign or symbols that are used to do mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. There are four types of operators in QBasic. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators and string operator. Operands are the variables or constant values on which the operation is done. For example, in expression, a plus b, plus is operator and B are operand. Types of operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and exponential. Students, the following table given below shows arithmetic operators used in QBasic. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare the value of variables. A comparison of string data with numeric data cannot be done. The comparison of string data is done on the basis of ASCII value. Students, the following table shows the relational operators used in QBasic. Logical operators. Logical operators combine two or more relational expressions to evaluate a single value as true or false. The result of evaluation is used to make decisions about the program flow. The AND, OR and NOT are the commonly used logical operators. AND operator. AND operator returns true when all the results returned from individual relational expressions are true. Otherwise it returns false. The AND truth table is given below. OR operator. OR operator returns true if one of the relational expressions returns true. If all the relational expressions returns false, then only the result will be false. The OR truth table is as given below. NOT operator. NOT operator operates on one operand and returns true if the logical operation returns false. The NOT truth table is as given below. Expression. An expression can be a string, or numeric constant, a variable or a combination of constants, variables with operators which return a single value. We can write algebraic expression in basic expression as given below. Statement. A statement is a computer instruction written in a source language, such as BASIC, which is converted into one or more machine code instructions by a compiler. The commonly used BASIC statements are let, print, input, CLS, end and rem in BASIC. Types of QBasic statements. Let statement. Let is an assignment statement. It is used to assign the value to a variable. Let is an optional statement. Without using let statement we can assign the value to a variable. The data type must match with the variable type, otherwise type mismatch error will occur. Practical time. CLS. Let A equals 20. Let B equals 30. Let B equals 30. Let sum equals A plus B. Let sum equals A plus B. Print the sum is sum. Print the sum is sum. End. End. CLS statement. This command is used to clear the previous output screen. If you write CLS statement in the middle of the program, then you cannot see the outputs generated before execution of CLS because it clears the screen. REM statement. REM statement is a non-executable statement and stands for remarks. It is a basic declaration statement that allows explanatory remarks to be inserted in a program. The remarks may be useful in a program to explain about different kinds of statements and user-defined words. Print statement. Print command is used to display any message or value on the screen. Print statement provides output on the screen. It prints the values of the expression on the screen. We can use semicolon and comma with a print statement which results differently than a normal print statement. Comma provides a tab space, but semicolon provides only one space. Practical time. A program to display the text or number on the screen. CLS. Print. We are learning QBasic programming. Print. Print. Learning QBasic is fun. Print 98,511. Print the number is 22,004. End. Output. Input statement. Input statement in QBasic is used to accept the data item from the user. It allows entering values into the computer's memory during the program execution. This statement will print and wait for the user to enter the value and then assign this value to a variable. Practical time. A program to find out the sum of any three numbers. CLS. Input enter the first number, A. Input enter the second number, B. Input enter the third number, C. Sum equals A plus B plus C. Print the sum of the three number is, sum. End. Output. End statement. End statement is used to terminate or quit from the QBasic program. It can be used only one time in one program. Selection structure. It is also known as branching structure that allows you to transfer the program control from one part to another on the basis of specified condition or without condition. Here, we are going to learn some selection structures in QBasic. If-then statement. It helps the computer to check whether the relation is true or false. This statement is used to make the decision as well as comparison. Practical time. A program to check whether the entered number 10 is greater than 2 or not. CLS. Input A, B. If A is greater than B, then print A is greater than 2. End. If. End. Output. If-then else statement. It is the two-way decision-making statement that can decide which part of statement it has executed when the condition is true or false. It executes one part of a program if the condition is true and another part if the condition is not true or false. Practical time. A program to check whether the entered number is odd or even. CLS. Input enter the number, n. r equals n mod 2. If r equals 0, then print it is an even number. Else print it is odd number. End. If. End. If-then else if-else statement. It is multi-way decision-making statement that is used when there is two or more conditions to be evaluated. Practical time. A program to print the greatest number among three different numbers. CLS. Input enter first number, A. Input enter second number, B. Input enter third number, C. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then print A is greater. Else if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then print C is greater. Else print C is greater. End if. End. Q. Basic looping structure. A looping structure is a logic which is used to execute one or more than one statements for a number of times. A loop allows a group of statements to be executed a certain number of times depending upon the condition. For next statement, it repeats a block of statement for specified number of times. It is used to execute a series of instructions for a given number of times. While when statement. It executes a block of statements repeatedly till a specific condition is true. When the value of the condition is false, the loop stops. Do loop statement. It repeats a part of program while a condition is true or until their condition becomes true. This statement repeats block of statements while the condition is true or until the condition becomes true.